Mike, descending level 110.
India 127, good morning, descend level 100.
Descend level 100, Air India 107.
Lufthansa 3369 heading to 80, cleared ILS 25 right.
Lufthansa 3369 heading to 80, cleared ILS 25 right.
United 944, speed 200.
Speed 200, United 944.
Lufthansa 693, descend 5000 feet, good edge 10 by 9er.
Lufthansa 693, descending 5000 feet, good edge 10 by 9er.
United 9.
Good and safe onward journey. We please leave your seatbelt fastened until the front seatbelt signs are turned off.
United 944, speed 200.
Speed 200, United 944.
Lufthansa 693, descend 5000 feet, good edge 10 by 9er.
Lufthansa 693, descending 5000 feet, good edge 10 by 9er.
United 944, heading 220, cleared ILS 25 right.
20, ILS, cleared ILS 25 right, United 944.
Lufthansa 3205, reduced to 20.
3205, reduced to 20.
India 127, expect 25 right.
25 right, Air India 107.
Morgan arrival, it's Cactus 704, descending out of 120 for 11. Juliet.
Good morning, Cactus 704, time left heading 110.
Left turn 110, Cactus 704.
Lufthansa 3369, reduce 180.
Lufthansa 3369, reducing 180.
Lufthansa 693, turn left heading 300.
Lufthansa 693, left heading 300.
Lufthansa Cargo 8415, descend level 70.
Chicago 8415, descending number 70.
United 944, speed 180.
80 knots, United 944.
Cactus 700, speed 170, contact tower 1199.
70 knots, 99, Cactus 700, clear.
Lufthansa 3205, heading 220, intercept localizer 25 right.
Lufthansa 3205, heading 220, intercept localizer 215.
India 127, turn left heading 140.
They're heading 140, India 107.
What's your speed, India 127?
300 knots, Air India 107.
Roger, reduce to 40.
Reduce to 240.
Heading 110, resume on navigation. Climb and maintain flight altitude 70. Niner turn right heading 180.
Resume on navigation. Descend and maintain flight level 350. 2686.
Warschau noch einen schönen vergangenen Abend, ein erholsames Wochenende und für einige von Ihnen auch noch
40, 30, 20, retard, 10, 5.
Menorca.